should definitely change. This rhythm is open, more complex, definitely loopier and more melodic than Bad Brains.
You can take your pencils off now if you need to.
You could work on the rhythm from the guitar, or you could pay attention to the rhythm of the drums. There's different layers of rhythm here. You could do the rhythm of the bass. This is some funky music. There's some good bass line. You got 3 different rhythms you could choose from here. Bass line, guitar, drums, even his voice. It's 4 different rhythms.